First question is the preamble of the Constitution of India was drafted by A. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. B.N. Rao, D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is the B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is when was the preamble of the Constitution adopted by the Constituent Assembly? A. 26 November 1949, B. 26 January 1950, C. 24 January 1950, D. 26 November 1950. The correct answer is the A. 26 November 1949. The next question is when was the preamble of the Constitution implemented? A. 24 January 1950, B. 26 January 1947, C. 26 January 1950, D. 26 November 1949. The correct answer is the C. 26 January 1950. Next question is how many times has the preamble of the Constitution been amended? First, 2 times, B. 1 time, C. 3 times, D. No amendment made yet. The correct answer is the B. 1 time. Next question, when was the preamble of the Indian Constitution amendment? A. 1972, B. 1975, C. 1978, D. 1976. The correct answer is the D. 1976. Next question is the idea of the preamble of the Indian Constitution has been taken from which country? A. Britain, B. Russia, C. USA, D. Australia. The correct answer is the USA. Next question is under which constitutional amendment 3 new words were added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution? A. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976, B. 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1976, B. 42 Constitutional Amendment Act 1978, D. 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978. The correct answer is the A. 42 Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. The next question is which of the following words has not been added to the preamble under the 42 amendment to the Constitution? A. Unity, B. Socialist, C. Secular, D. Integrity. The correct answer is the A. Unity. Next question is economy and the social justice in the preamble has been adopted from which country? A. America, B. Australia, C. Russia, D. France. The correct answer is the C. Russia. Next question is which of the following is not taken from the French Revolution in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? A. Liberty, B. Fraternity, C. Equality, D. Unity. The correct answer is the D. Unity. Next question is what is the significance of the preamble in the Indian Constitution? A. The structure of the Constitution has been explained, B. Explaining the work of the Prime Minister, C. Directing the state, D. All of the above. The correct answer is the A. The structure of the Constitution has been explained. The next question is the word secular and the socialist were added to the preamble of the Constitution by A. 44th Amendment, B. 46th Amendment, C. 42 Amendment, and D. 49th Amendment. The correct answer is the B. 42 Amendment. The next question is what is the meaning of the social equality in the Indian Constitution? A. Equal opportunities for all sections of society, B. Equal right to vote, C. Lack of equality, D. None of all above. The correct answer is the A. Equal opportunities for all sections of the society. The next question is India is a secular state means that is the Indian state. A. Supports the religion of the minority community. B. Supports non-religious citizen. And C. Doesn't support any particular religion. D. Supports the religion of the majority community. The correct answer is the C. Does not support any particular religion. And the next question is the provision in the preamble that grants all adult citizens the right to vote is called A. Republic, B. Democracy, C. Socialism, D. Secularism. The correct answer is the B. Democracy.